Hello everyone and welcome back for one more video. If you're new here, my name is Hsl. I'm a professional videographer, photographer and video editor. On today's video, we're going to talk about something really exciting. Last week, Adobe released a new update for Lightroom Classic, Lightroom Classic 9.3, and of course this update came along with quite a few new features that have to do with better performance of the software. They have to do with presets, some of them they have to do with the design, the icons that they are using and stuff like that. Quite a few changes, but there was one that actually blew my mind and stole my heart. And this was the local Hsl adjustments. So Lightroom now gives you the ability to change the hue for selected areas, apart from the saturation and the luminance that you could do anyway. So changing the hue for selected areas, keep that in mind. So this video is not going to be an overview of Lightroom Classic 9.3. I just wanted to do a quick video and try out for the first time on camera the local Hsl adjustments. So let's see what we can do with this amazing new feature. So what I'm thinking is that I'm going to take photos that I have already edited and I'm going to incorporate this new feature and see what I can do with it. So this is the picture that I'm going to work on. So as you can see, I have already done my editing. This is a before and this is after. This is what I have at the moment. So the first thing that I want to do and I want to try is to change the eyes color. So I'm going to click on my brush. As you can see, I have already quite a few brushes here, but I'm going to hover over her iris. Here's my slider, as you can see, and I'm going to change the color. As you can see, the color changes, and of course I'm going to try a blue color, or maybe an emerald. How is it called? Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for a blue color. Oh my god, this is awesome. And I'm going to drag the saturation down because, to be honest with you, I think that now it's a little bit too much, but still you can get the idea. And let's zoom out. Done. That's so good. Of course, this is something that you could do, but you had to do it in Photoshop instead. You couldn't do it in Lightroom. So doing that in Lightroom, it's really, really amazing. Okay, let's jump to another picture now. This is another picture that I have already edited. So this is a before and this is after. In this case, I think I want to play a little bit with the lipstick, with the color of the lipstick. And this is something that I usually do anyway in my portraits. So I usually try and play a little bit with the saturation of the lips, or sometimes I change the exposure. Now I can also change the color. So let's go to my brushes. As you can see, I have already a brush on my lips. As you can see, I have already changed the saturation, but now I want to try and change the color. So let's see. Let's go to hue. And maybe I want to go, ooh, look at that. Something more like fuchsia. That's interesting. That's something really cool. And now I can tick this box right here and I can now do micro adjustments on this specific slider. So now, as you can see, I can move it really, really gently and do like really micro fine adjustments. And this is it. I think I like it. Let's zoom out. Okay, it's a little bit too much, but I can reduce the saturation, of course. I'm going to reduce the saturation quite a lot to make it a little bit more natural, and maybe the exposure just a little bit. And yeah, you get the idea. I think it looks pretty nice. Now let's try the Hsl adjustments on a graduated filter. So I click on my graduated filters. As you can see, I have already one on my image. You can see what it's affecting, you can see the area that it's affecting. And as you can see, I have already done quite a few adjustments on this specific graduated filter, but now I can also change the hue. And let's see how this is going to be. Let's try it out. Oh, because I have this ticked at the moment, it doesn't let me do any major changes, but I'm going to unclick that for now in order to be able to find the color that I really want to go for. And you know what? I think that I like this over here. And what happens if I add color as well? Whoa, okay. and maybe rotate it just a little bit so that I don't affect my face. And yeah, let's see before and after. That's so cool. This is really exciting. It's a great idea. I actually wanted this tool in Lightroom for like a long time now, and I'm really glad that it's finally here. And I think I'm gonna stop this video right here. I just wanted to do a quick one and share my enthusiasm with you guys. I just wanted to try this tool for the first time on camera, and so that you can get like an idea of what you can do with it and how you can apply it to your own photos as well. So I think I'm going to play a little bit longer with this one, and I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.